every tear, every ember. This is the place where souls remember.
A silent promise, an iron will. The ground, it holds the stories tight. Beneath the dark, beneath the light.
A shadow dance on the water's edge, a whisper of stars in a silver pledge. The moon wore clouds like a tattered cloak. Each ripple a story the silence spoke.
Beyond the river of time I'll go, where dreams are seeds and shadows grow. The clock won't tick, the sky won't shine. We're endless there beyond the line.
Beyond the river of time I'll go, where dreams are seeds and shadows grow. The clock won't tick, the sun won't shine. We're endless there beyond the line. Beyond the river of time I'll go, where dreams are seeds and shadows grow. The clock won't tick, the sky won't shine. We're endless there beyond the line.
A bridge of echoes hums in the night. Each step dissolves into fading light. I left my name carved into the breeze. The wind just laughed and carried the key.
If moments crumble like brittle sand, will you still reach for my trembling hand?
Beyond the river of time I'll go, where dreams are seeds and shadows grow. The clock won't tick, the sky won't shine. We're endless there beyond the line.
Beyond the river of time I'll go, where dreams are seeds and shadows grow. The clock won't tick, the sky won't shine. We're endless there beyond the line. Beyond the river of time I'll go, where dreams are seeds and shadows grow. The clock won't tick, the sky won't shine. We're endless there beyond the line.
The stars fell quiet, the earth stood still.
I drank the dark like a bitter pill, but there in the hush I heard your voice, a soft reminder we always have a choice.
Beyond Beyond the river of time I'll go, where dreams are seeds and shadows grow. The clock won't tick, the sky won't shine. We're endless there beyond the line.
Beyond the river of time I'll go, where dreams are seeds and shadows grow. The clock won't tick, the sky won't shine. We're endless there beyond the line. Beyond the river of time I'll go, where dreams are seeds and shadows grow. The clock won't tick, the sky won't shine. We're endless there beyond the line.
A clock with no hands ticks in the haze. The moon whispers secrets through smoky rays. I chase the shadows, but they slip away. A fleeting ghost, a game they play. The stars, they blink like they're unsure. A cosmic dance, a lure, a blur. In the shadows of forever, where the echoes never sever. Time bends, hearts tether. In the shadows, we're together.
Footsteps fall soft on an endless street. The pavement hums with a hollow beat.
A mirror shatters, but it won't reflect. Just shards of truth we can't connect.
The night holds secrets in its clothes. A velvet vow, a silence spoke. In the shadows of forever,
Where the echoes never sever. Time bends, hearts tethered. In the shadows, we're together.
only forever and a fleeting chance. Whoa, moonlit vows for another dawn. Hold me close until the night is gone.
The sky may break, but we'll carry on.
Moonlit vows for another dawn.
Time is a thief, stealing moments slow. But love's a fire, it will always glow.
Even as the hours slip and when
We'll write our names in the falling rain.
moonlit vows for another dawn. Hold me close until the night is gone.
The sky may break, but we'll carry on.
Moonlit vows for another dawn.
The clock ticks slow, the night won't end. Stars whisper secrets like an old friend.
Shadows stretch wide, they hold their ground. Oh, lost in the silence where dreams are found.
Through endless tomorrows, we chase the light. Through shadows and sorrow, through endless night.
Every heartbeat's a promise, every tear's a spark.
Through endless tomorrows, we'll find the dark.
Footsteps fade on a gravel road. Every step heavy, every story told.
The moon is shy, she hides her face, but I see her smile in the empty space.
Oh, the wind hums a lullaby. Oh, the clouds learn to cry.
Through endless tomorrows, we chase the light. Through shadows and sorrow, through endless night. Every heartbeat's a promise, every tear's a spark. Through endless tomorrow, we'll find the dark. What if we stop? What if we stay? What if the sun forgot to trade her gold for gray, a fire for shade? Would we still walk or would we fade? Through endless tomorrows, we chase the light. Through shadows and sorrow, through endless night. Every heartbeat's a promise, every tear's a spark.
fractured home.
I see the smoke, it twists and sways. It sings of endings, but not my day.
Falling embers kiss my skin,
But the fire's where I began.
through the ashes I'll return. Let the world around me burn.
I rise again. Through the ashes I'll return. A thousand whispers call my name. Their ghostly hands, they fan the flame.
Each step I take, the ground may quake, but I won't bend, I'll never break.
The shadows stretch, they try to bind, but light is burning in my mind.
Through the ashes I'll return. Let the world around me burn. I rise again. Through the ashes I'll return. Beneath the willow's ancient shade, the roots and songs are what they've made. Shadows
Dance, but they don't stray. Yeah, they're bound to whispers from yesterday.
where souls remember, where hearts don't fade. In the echoes of love that time replayed.
Every breath, every tear, every ember. This is the place where souls remember. The wind, it speaks in tongues of old, a language softer than the cold.
It carries secrets heavy and sweet.
Falling like petals at our feet.
If you listen close, you'll hear the pulse of life, the ghost of years.
Where souls remember, where